believe it's the end of December, and Matt just avoided a pothole. But there's no snow! Dry roads. You know what that means? A day on the road for us, just to get out and about and go and sightsee. Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. It's Sonia and Matt, who just jumped out of the driver's seat. We start this video today with a little adulting and paying the bills. So we're taking care of some bill paying right now, and then we are going to hit the road. Anybody else out there just love to take spontaneous drives? We are that couple that just decides, hey, let's go for a ride. One of the things I love about living here in Pennsylvania, where I live right now, is compared to on an island in the North Atlantic, is that you can drive north, south, east, and west and always find something. Go somewhere, find something amazing, whatever that might look like for you, or whatever that might be for you. So, yeah. Matt, you love a spontaneous drive.
I do. I'll drive anywhere, anytime.
Yeah, Matt, when we first met, Matt would drive up from North Carolina all the way up to Newfoundland to see me and visit me. And I'm like, holy moly, that's a long way to drive. But I love the strong. Matt loves to drive, seriously. Like,
yeah, I'll drive anywhere.
And me, I love spontaneous driving too. You know, when I moved to the US, being able to get out and see all different parts. And so on a day like today, when it's Christmas week and we're pacing ourselves with our business and taking a little bit of time, it's nice to get out and to drive and to maybe go some places that I've never seen before, right? Post office stop up here?
Yes.
Okay. Look at the pretty views in Maryland today.
We're in the South.
What do you call these hills? Tickle bellies, or what do you call them?
Yeah, that's what they called them growing up.
Yeah.
They fix most of them so you don't get that reaction when you go real fast and everything.
Teal Farm. Who knew it? Look, guys, Teal Farms.
See fucking greenhouse.
Okay, I think we found the smallest McDonald's I have ever seen in Deep Creek, Maryland. Time to get a coffee. All right, so we are off to where? We've decided.
Davis, West Virginia, I guess.
I'm scared to drink this because this is gonna be so hot. Okay. All right, and what's going down to Davis, West Virginia?
We're just gonna go check out a couple of houses. We're looking for a larger home that we're able to work in. It's not that we're moving, we're just moving for a couple days a week.
Yeah, we're looking for a second home that will actually function as a workspace, a studio.
Yeah.
You know, I tell people all the time, if you're in my coaching group, I tell people all the time that, you know, you don't need to have a storefront if you don't want to. Today, we live in a world where you can actually do business from home. And so everything I do, I could definitely do from home. I would love to do from home. I would still keep my storefront, of course. I work with all my retailers. Yeah, absolutely. Keep our house in Pennsylvania where we are right now. But we're actually out just kind of looking around, and you definitely do not, you know, you can build a business today from your home. And so even though we've built our business outside of our home, I still crave having a studio inside under my roof. You know, there are nights I stay at the studio really, really late and working on stuff. And so anyway, I dream of having space with a studio and with a home office and all those wonderful things. And so we're out checking out some places that we saw online. So who knows what 2019 will bring, but we're personally deep down hoping that it might mean a second home, and a second home to be able to do some work from. So here on the vlog, we'll be telling you about that, and let's go see what kind of houses we can see today. What areas they're in, right? Area is important. They're in West Virginia.
Preston County.
Don't make me start singing John Denver. Was it yesterday I was talking about John Denver in the vlog. Man, now you people know. I like John Denver. I'm gonna start singing Country Roads, Take Me Home. Don't make me. Look at this, there's horses right here.
Mr. John Diesel.
Ones you do not have to feed. Look at that.
Mr. John Dieseldorfer is dead. Let him rest.
Little side note. Bought this case for my camera for the iPhone 6 Plus. Fits perfectly everywhere else except one of the most important places. Who does this? Do you see this? Now I have to go back to Wally World and find another case that's gonna fit. What a pain. Oh my gosh, the pond is frozen over there and there are geese walking.
They're ice skating.
Oh my goodness. There definitely is more snow down this way. They obviously had
The smallest church in 48 states over there.
So cool. Alright. Snacks. Road tripping snacks. What do we got? Original fried pork skins. If you've been following this vlog, you've seen the evolution of me eating pork skins.
She's become ravenous.
Yes. Which I'm just waiting for them to change the name. I think they should just take pork skins off of it, right?
Oh, you can just call it chickaroonies if you're...
Yes, yes. And so jalapeno cheddar dip. And let's see, 2 carbs into 2 carbs into 2 tablespoons. And there's 8 servings in here. So we're gonna share and give it a shot. What do you think of it?
I like the pork rinds. Not crazy about the whatchamadiggits. The cheese. Cheese is okay. I mean, cheese is good.
I tried barbecued pork skins. Again, I can't believe I'm saying that word. Pork skins this past week. And I think I like barbecued better than just the plain. Okay, now that is a repurpose, if I've ever seen a repurpose. Too funny. Well, it feels like we have been all around the world and back again, and it pretty much feels that way because, Matt, we left Pennsylvania, we went to Maryland, we went to...
Maryland to West Virginia, from West Virginia to Maryland to back to West Virginia, to Maryland, to West Virginia, to Maryland, to Pennsylvania.
Okay, that's a lot of traveling, a lot of circles. So today was the beginning of scouting for potential areas for us to live in. And so we're looking for a certain radius, we're looking for, like I told you, a certain kind of house, and we're just kind of having fun and seeing what's out and about and what's available out there. So today was a good day, and now I am back here at the house. I'm gonna edit today's vlog. Thanks for being on the travels with us today. And I wanted to share with you guys this most amazing gift that I received from Matt. Let me go grab it. Told you guys that Matt gave me the most amazing gift, like memorable gift, one of the best things ever that he's ever given me. I love it so much. And in fact, I told you that once you see these, I know you're gonna wanna have a pair of them too, all right? Can you hold the excitement? Get ready. Here they are. Here they are. He has given me, so I want you guys to know that when I'm editing these vlogs, this is what I look like in front of my laptop, and it's unicorn headphones. Oh, you know what? I've got them on backwards. Give me 1 second. Unicorn never wears her ears backwards. Like, I am not a true unicorn, apparently. All right, fake unicorn. All right, and what I love about it is, look. So hopefully it's dark enough here in this corner that you can actually see them glowing. So this is just like the one glow, the glow beam. And then I can press it again, and look, like exciting. Oh my goodness, guys. I am so excited about these headphones. Like, this is one of the best gifts ever. I kid you not. If I can find a link, I'll drop it below. Check below, and I'll let you know if I find a link. So if you want to get a pair of them, just like I have. But yeah, I am in love with these. Best gift ever. So I just plug them in, and I do my thing, and I'm a unicorn. All right. I love these things. Ah, so much fun. Too much fun, in fact. Thank you guys for being here on the vlog with us. 2019 is going to be a great year, and so I am glad you are here. This is the year that we are hoping to smash some dreams, do some great things, some things that we've been planning for a long time, and so I cannot wait. I've also been toying with the idea of doing 30 days in January of a paint challenge. Let me know if you think that would be a good idea. Would you like me to bring back the 30 days of paint a piece of furniture a day challenge for the month of January? So I want to know what your thoughts are on that. And with that, I'm going to pop off for the night. Thanks for being here. I'll be back again tomorrow. Make sure you hit subscribe on this vlog. Hit the bell button as well, that little bell icon. What it does is it alerts you every time we upload another video. All right, I'll be reading your comments below. Thanks, guys. Bye.